Welcome to raigurukul.com. In this video, we'll get board property key and board property through REST API from Jira applications. So generally, board property key will gives us the key for all properties for the board identified by the ID. The user who retrieves the property key is required to have permissions to view the board, and board property key is helping or returning the value of the property with a given key from the board identified that the provided ID. The user who retrieves the property is required to have permissions to view the board. So we'll see here in detail how to get board property key and board property detail through REST API. If you want to learn Jira REST API, please watch my complete Jira REST API playlist. And if you want to learn Jira with Agile, please watch my Jira playlist. So this will help you to understand about Jira application, why we will use it. So let's begin with this. For performing this activity, we are using Postman application and we will use get method. This informations and connectivity information you will get to know about from my last video or previous sessions. You can have a look and then you will be able to successfully set the connections. Now here we have to use exactly same detail like this till here, and after that we'll use REST Agile 1.2 board and the board ID. So board ID, you will get it through this. So this is our board ID. You can see this is our board ID. So we have all the board details here. Just send this command and you will get board ID. From here, just write properties and send key. Once you'll send this properties, just add 3. Send properties, you will get the complete board property which contains key information and the self detail. If you want to know or if you want to understand the board property with detail, so simply copy this property and paste it to here. So you will get about board property which contains the exact informations which you are looking for. So if you can see here, this property is just false. It is not enabled. If you want to enable it, simply we have to enable it through API or through UI front. So this is how we can enable. I've already covered this video how to enable this. So you can watch that video. I will also include the URL in description tab. So this is how we get property detail through REST API. So that's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so, this will be useful. Don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.